Alright folks, the name of the car here that we're working on here at Air Capital Hot Rods is, the project name is the 548 IT. So as you can see, it needs a new badge on the back, so it's called the 548 IT. So this is just a quick version, basically kind of a test one. Kind of see it in there. So, how do we make a custom badge? Oh wait, that's why there's 3D printers. So over here, we have a 3D printer. And it's currently printed out in green. Like I said, this is a test version. So I actually have some gray filament coming. It's on its way. But I haven't used this 3D printer for a year and a half, so I wanted to set it up, make sure it was working and everything, and got it fired up, leveled out. You have to have it pretty precise as far as level and everything for it to work correctly. So this is the first layer. Basically it traces around the image, and then first layer or two is filled in like 100%, and then it will fill it in like at a 40% rate or something like that, and then the top layers will be 100%. So this will take a little while to print, so I'm not gonna film the whole thing, but you kind of get an idea here. It's what it's gonna look like. So there's a bottom bar. Go back to here. So there's this bottom bar right here that you can kind of see that's going to connect everything, and then once it gets that all built, then it will just be printing the numbers. I'm going to go back in, and on the BMW actual letters there's a bit of an angle, so they're not flat, so I'm going to add that into the SolidWorks file. But like I said, test print. Then once these get printed out, I'll use some double-sided tape, stick it on the back of the car. I don't know, I'm getting gray filament, so I don't know if I'll like prime it and sand it and make it all pretty, or if the 3D printing is going to be pretty enough. Kind of have to see how it turns out, but that's part of the progress today. We're finishing up our little logo here, and so if you get in here close, you can see how it looks, which this filament is old, and so I think that's why it's so goopy. We can clean that up with a little bit of sanding and stuff, but I think I might also need to make some adjustments, because like there, the 4 didn't quite fill in, so I think maybe it thinks the filament's a little bit wider than what it really is. So anyways, there's our practice 548 IT logo.